Hi there, students. Par excellence. Okay, this is an adjective which we use to describe something as one of the best examples of its type. It's really, really good quality. Yeah, it's one of the best. Notice we use this phrase after the noun. So he is a chef par excellence. It goes after. Normally adjectives go before. He's a really, really, really good chef. He's one of the best chefs of his type. Notice you can also use it meaning the truest, the most exact example of something. Yeah. So he is honest par excellence. Okay, so he's one of the most honest people you will find. He's a perfect example of honesty. Okay, so absolutely fantastic. He's a speaker par excellence. He's really, really, really good at making speeches. Okay, so most excellent. You can also actually use it as an adverb. He works he works par excellence, most excellently, most fantastically, in a superior way. Okay, so he's preeminent. He's above everyone else. He's really, really good at it. Yeah? Okay, and also then being the proper or the truest example. This is an example par excellence. It's the truest, clearest example. Yeah, there's no deviation from the definition or from the norm. So, par excellence is a way of saying something's really, really, really good. It's the best of its type. Let's see, these qualities may seem to be par excellence, but if you actually look further, it's not. Yeah, they're not the real qualities. A really good magician produces illusions par excellence. This is a chocolate par excellence, or this is a black chocolate par excellence. So it's either a really good example, it's a quintessential example of this. This is Peruvian chocolate par excellence, the very best example, quintessentially, or a quintessential Peruvian chocolate. Okay, par excellence. It's also very, very good. This is a school par excellence. He teaches par excellence. He's really, really, really good at it. Okay, so English is a language par excellence to talk about obligation, money, business and law. It's not a language par excellence to talk about love and things like that. Okay, so how formal is this? I think I would probably give this a 6 in formality. It sounds a bit posh, but I think you could use it in an informal conversation. Yeah, it sounds a little posh and a little bit literary, but I think you could use it more or less anywhere. And then I think the origin comes from French. Yeah, par excellence, the excellently, yeah, way above everything else, and that comes from Latin per excellentiam. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. Okay, so I hope this video has been an explanation par excellence. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Par excellence.